we'll let you know if we're still alive.
Like that.
So if you didn't know, Stratford-upon-Avon. Okay, from our last video at Salisbury Camping and Caravanning Club site, we've headed across to Stonehenge, which is about 7 miles away. We've then headed up to Stratford-upon-Avon, which is halfway home, and we're going to be staying in the leisure centre. So please stay tuned and watch the end of this video to see how our night went. So if you didn't know, Stratford-upon-Avon Leisure Centre has motorhome bays. There are 9 bays in total, and we're going to spend the night in one. It's £22 for one night, and you can stay up to 3 days according to the Ringo app. So let's get set up and let's go explore some Stratford-upon-Avon. So we found somewhere to have some fish and chips for lunch, which is pretty much opposite where the boats were. So literally 5 minutes from where the motorhome is, which is good. Welcome to Stratford-upon-Avon, Shakespeare's birthplace and a town full of history. Born in 1564, Shakespeare's dad was a glove maker, so maybe that's why he's so good at handling words. The River Avon was once a vital trade route. Now it's mostly for swan selfies and expensive boat rides. And here's a weird one. People once here paid their taxes in eels. Yep, actual wriggly eels. History, theatre and overpriced fish and chips. Welcome to Stratford-upon-Avon. So we're heading back to the motorhome now. Guess what we've got?
Super nips.
Super nips, our souvenirs. So we literally just thought we'd come into Stratford for something to eat, a little explore. I've grabbed some videos of the best buildings that I could find, and then we'll head back to the motorhome, chill, and then we're going to watch some more rest of episode 4 or 5 of Severance and chill for the night, and hopefully have a very chilled, undisturbed evening in a car park. Okay, so when you come into Stratford from the M40, you kind of come to a forced corner to the left. You see that building, and then you head down here, and then you can see the big green sign just there. That's the leisure centre. So you pull in where that blue car's going past now and the silver car is, and then I'll show you where to go in a second. It's literally only a stone's throw, so what, 3-minute walk, 5-minute walk into Stratford. So you head one way, goes out towards where all the boats are, and the other takes you around into town. It looks like there's a swimming pool as well at the leisure centre, so if we'd have been a little bit more prepared, we could have took the kids swimming. But anyway, we're here, so let me show you where you go and where you park. So I don't know if you can see this, but in a second I'll show you. The car park's on your left for the cars, and then if you head right to the back of this, you'll see a motorhome in the distance. So right over there. Oh, man, he fell over. So it looks like we've got some new neighbours. Everyone's changed this. Oh no, there's 3 new vans, or 2 new vans, sorry. So looks like this is a popular spot for people. Anyway, you come past the coach entrance, and then I will show you. I'll just say motorhome parking on the sign, I've just seen it. There's this sign, and then maximum 9 bays only, Riverside motorhome parking. So it's called Riverside, and then we are just there in bay number 8. But you can see they're all a bit pitched, hence the reason why we've parked close to this end of the bay. We've got no neighbours anymore. Have a look, no one this side. Where's only one bay? Everyone's gone and abandoned us. Everyone's left us, so they either know something we don't, or they need to be somewhere. So we've got our door lock, which we'll put on tonight. We've got our EcoFlow Delta Max, So we're using that for mains power and 12 volt, even though we have got a nice new lithium battery from Fogstar Drift. And then we are gonna try the alarm thing. We've got all these on our doors, even the garage doors. So you can put the alarm system on pet mode, so it turns off the sensors inside, and then, God forbid, if someone tries to open the door, it will set off the alarm anyway. So we're going to give that a go, which is 2 blips on our blipper. So yeah, other than that, not that we have to worry about stuff like that, but it's better to be safe than sorry, especially when we've got kids as well. So we're going to chill, watch some TV, see how tonight goes, and I'll catch you guys in a bit.
Made it all cosy cuddle with our little fairy lights. And it looks really nice. What a difference some fairy lights can make for our night in Stratford-upon-Avon.
We've got one neighbour, haven't we?
One lorry. Everyone else is gone.
Yeah, there's a few over there.
Beachy bear.
We've got our new door lock in. We've set the alarm on the door sensors only. We've got a nice tool up there if we need to do any digging for any reason. And then we've got our EcoFlow Delta, which is now boiling the kettle. Sunny's chilling out the back.
Watching the same choo-choo train video over and over again.
And then we're going to watch...
And the boys are gone to bed. I need to bath the boys now.
Yeah, we'll bath the boys. We'll bath the boys in our pop-up bath. And then we'll watch Severance for the 50,000th time that I've said it. Yeah. If you're watching it, let us know in the comments below. Don't give anything away because we're only on episode 4. If you stayed in Stratford-upon-Avon, let us know where. We stayed once at Dobman something, just outside of Stratford. And then we came here, which is why we knew about this place. We just didn't know you could stay overnight. So if you've got any recommendations for sites around Stratford, let us know, or any wild or stealth camping locations, let us know. We were going to do Stonehenge, weren't we? But we couldn't actually work out how to get to the road where everyone's camping on, so it must be a secret. Yeah, it was really busy. It must be a secret squirrels.
But we had a good view of it, so we saw it.
We had a good view of it, so we saw it, as Becky just said.
Did see it.
We did see it. So it's about 6:30. There's a load of people. Sorry, there's a load of coach loads. There's coach loads of people leaving. Looks like French students actually. All's good in the motorhome. Boys are just going to bed. Have we got any neighbours? We've got a coach and a lorry as neighbours. Other than that, I hope we have a peaceful night. So fingers crossed. I don't know if you can hear that. It's 9:30 and the leisure centre, we thought it was a lorry, but the leisure centre has been playing really loud music. So if you're not a fan of that, don't stay here. I'm hoping to dear God that it stops around 10:30ish, otherwise I'll sleep with headphones in. I'll be alright. Becky will probably murder me.
I'll have a meltdown.
Yeah. But it's half term here, so I'm guessing either they've got like a roller disco or something like that on.
It's very annoying.
Yeah, we're annoying, but that's more annoying than us. On the Becky, that's really fucking annoying. You're worried about the noise. You're coughing, how dare you? On the reviews on Search for Sites, which we use, it just says that it's actually it's pretty much all 5-star-ish reviews. It just says sometimes the lorries start up about 5 AM, so but we can live with that. So yeah, it's fun for one night. We can do it.
We've had a lot worse.
Yeah, we've had a lot worse. So anyway, let's see how we get on. I'll keep you updated. If you stayed here, then let us know. But I'll keep you updated in a bit.
Stopped.
10 PM. I was right. What'd you say?
Thank you.
Thank you for being right. Being the righteous one. Right. Watching more Severance. It's getting good.
Fingers crossed it stays quiet.
Yeah. We'll let you know if we're still alive. That's what
Like that.
I'll let you know how the evening was. Yeah. We've been watching too much Severance.
Yeah, it's freaking me out.
Spoiler alert. Bye.
Morning. We had a nice quiet night, nice sleep, and as expected from the Google reviews, the lorries started switching their engines on about 5:30, but that's perfectly doable because the babies were awake anyway, so overall, good night.
Let's switch on the engine. Brum brum. Yeah. Watch out, Street. Morning. Wave at the camera, everyone.
Morning.
Elijah, look, Mummy's there.
I'm getting your milk,
We're
darling.
getting milk. So we survived the night in Stratford. Lorries woke us up about 5:30, but it was okay because I knew it was going to come. We still got one neighbour that's the coach. We've got no one out this side, and we're still alive. So we're going to have some sausages, and then we're going to get home because we've got stuff to do.
After I was cut short because David started to drive off without me and I needed to record him. So if you've liked our video, please like and comment and subscribe to us, please. That would be fun. Also, press the bell icon and then you'll get notifications every time our content comes online. Thanks for watching.
Bye.